Team Simmons at the Bright Leaf Golf Resort, Harrodsburg, Kentucky. Hunter Simmons putting for birdie. If Hunter makes this birdie, 35-yard birdie, he not only wins the Masters, but he also buys me a beer. Simmons eyes up the green, reads the green. He's working it. How close is he? It's very close to the hole. I think it's coming around. I think there's an earthquake. Excellent, Hunter. Do you want to say anything to the camera?
I'll still win the match if I get a par.
Still win the match if you get a par.
14 under.
14 under in just 9 holes. You just can't beat that. Here we go. Simmons reads the green once again. Is it a belly putter? No.
No.
Is it a butt putter?
No.
No. Is it a putt putter? Yes! Look at that! You're very good, Hunter. You make me proud. And you're also going to make a good living golfing and scholarship, so I don't have to pay for your college either. Very good, buddy. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yes, comment. Would you like to comment, Mr. Commentator?
That was a hole-in-one.
That was a hole-in-one. You turkey. Close, but no cigar.